Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas day 16. Oh my gosh, there's less than 10 days till Christmas. When you're watching this, not when I'm actually filming it. When you're watching this, there's less than 10 days till Christmas. That's insane. The day you're watching this, I'm actually leaving for my trip, so look forward to that. But today it is Monday the 14th and I have to go to work this morning. I got a lot to do today. I have a lot to do over the next 3 days. It'll be fine. Everything will be okay, you know? Today I need to go to work. I work till 1:30. I work till 1:30, then come home. I need to make cupcakes because we're going to our friend Sam and Nikki's house tonight for dinner, and it's her birthday tomorrow, so I'm gonna make her cupcakes. I need to edit and upload this video. I need to start packing because now we're leaving a day early for our trip. There's just so much to do. Right now I'm gonna go to work, and then when I get home I will take you on my adventure of everything I need to do. I need to like start pulling stuff out to pack because Wednesday I was gonna pack, but now we're leaving Wednesday, like right after I get out of work, so it'll be interesting, but stick around. I'm sure it'll be something to watch if I remember to film and not just freak out and do everything, but no, I'll film. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm wearing makeup from here up again. Got my mask. I just set some aside to bring with me. Let's go to work. Hi guys, I'm back from work. I was literally just about to start pulling stuff out to pack, and I just remembered I have to make cupcakes. We're gonna go do that and then we'll come pull out stuff to pack, but I just threw some laundry in, as you saw, did some dishes, kind of like got stuff all taken care of after being at work, and now I'm gonna go make cupcakes because I totally forgot I have to do that. So I'm gonna do that, and then while they're in the oven I will pull out some clothes to pack. So let's go do that. We're not doing anything fancy. We're doing some funfetti. I have this funfetti hot pink vanilla cupcake icing. She doesn't actually like icing, but I'll put a few on for like the rest of us. I've just like had this, and so I thought I would make some cupcakes. I got my little cupcake tins. It says I need 4 eggs, half cup of vegetable oil, and 1 1/4 cups of water. So, oh, I need to preheat the oven. I just realized it says 4 egg whites. All right, do I try to scoop the yolks out? Is it gonna break? Here's one. Okay, got one. We saved it. Okay, so since we're not frosting half of them, I threw some extra sprinkles on these ones. I don't know how that's gonna turn out, but it looks really cute. So half with all sprinkles. These ones will get frosting. I'm gonna put them in the oven for like 20 minutes. Okay, so while those are in the oven, I'm going to use that as a 20-minute timer to just get as much stuff out of my closet for my trip as I can and just like make a pile. That way, hopefully the clothing will be done, and then tomorrow will be like toiletries and stuff. My camera's gonna die, so we'll see how much I can get. I mean, how much footage I can get, you know? Okay, the cupcakes are done. These ones look so good. I wish I had done them to all of them, but they literally were done. Right as I was finishing up pulling out clothes, I pulled out, I'm like really bad at overpack, bad. So I already pulled out a few things and like put them away because realistically we're not gonna do much else than lay by the pool and like hang out. So I don't need like dresses and like nice like summer clothes to go out. It still looks like a lot. I have like a cardigan, jeans. I did bring one dress and one jumpsuit, cover up, jean skirt, a crew neck, PJs. I have t-shirts, or not t-shirts, shirts and bathing suits back there, and then this is what I'm gonna wear on the plane, and then I have workout stuff, bras, underwear, but I also need to do some laundry because I don't have like all my workout clothes, so I will do that tomorrow. Oh, I put stuff in the laundry tonight. I need to go switch that over the dryer. I'll wash my workout clothes tomorrow. I have a bunch of masks to bring, so right now I'm going to maybe have a snack and then start editing this video, and then we will be heading to Nikki and Sam's later. So I'm gonna let my camera charge and I'll talk to you in a bit. All right, it's a little bit later now. It's 4:45-ish, 4:43 to be exact. Dylan's home. He just got out of the shower. I'm gonna frost these cupcakes and then we're gonna be ready to go. All right, one plate of no frosting, one plate of frosting. Pick your poison.
Pick my poison?
Mm-hmm.
Which one I would pick?
Mm-hmm.
Probably the one with the frosting.
The lip sounds. It's the lip sounds for me. Ew.
Sorry.
The vlog. I'm gonna put this on my blog.
Spread. Wow. Hi guys, we are back from dinner. We had a really good time. I think I got like a clip of our food. It was delicious. Dylan tried lamb lollipops tonight and he loved them. So that was something new that he tried. And we had some cupcakes. We played that new game, Who's Most Likely To, that I got from the Yankee Swap, and just had like a chill night. So I didn't really vlog anything, but I hope you guys understand, you know, sometimes you just hang out with people and it's not like you just want to be in the moment, you know? I didn't vlog that. We had a great time and we're just gonna like hang out and probably go to bed soon. Already got my jammies on. I will see you guys tomorrow in another vlog. Oh, for a second I thought I was leaving for Florida tomorrow, but I'm not. Did I just give away where I was going? So tomorrow's gonna be a big packing day. I also have to work. We're also doing something fun tomorrow. Stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram at Mariah with 2 A's and 2 E's. And I will see you tomorrow for another Vlogmas.